In this video, I'll show you how to change the DNS server on a MikroTik router using Winbox. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your MikroTik router. First, open Winbox on your computer. Connect to your MikroTik router using its IP address or MAC address. Enter your username and password, then click Connect. Step 2. Open DNS settings. Once you're logged in, go to IP DNS. This is where you can configure the DNS servers used by your MikroTik router. In the Servers field, enter your preferred DNS addresses. For Google Public DNS, use 8.8.8.8. For Cloudflare DNS, use 1.1.1.1. Click Apply, then click OK to save the new DNS settings. Your MikroTik router will now use the selected DNS servers. Method 2. Change from terminal. Open Terminal from left side menu. To use Google Public DNS, type /IP DNS set servers equals 8.8.8.8, 8.8.4.4. Press Enter to apply the changes. To use Cloudflare DNS, type /IP DNS set servers equals 1.1.1.1, 1.0.0.1. Then press Enter. That's it. You've successfully changed the DNS server on your MikroTik router using the terminal. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more MikroTik, networking, and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.